Ako po si Felix Morada, dito operator ng Honjet dito sa Robinson, Novaliches. Araw-araw naman ito nagagamit na may 76 meters kaming nairan dito as of this week. Ito po ang printer head. Ito naman po ang cupping, head link, punasan ng wiper after head clean, nozzle check, ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Missing tank malinis ng Friday. Use ink. Use ink, film, powder. Ito naman po yung inventory namin. Nagamit sa cleaning solution. 30 cm film, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, powder, white ink, workload, consumable. Nakagamit tayo ng isang film, powder at kuyi. Ito naman po ang daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.